Take a close look at this insect breaching the walls of a home. Every year, Americans spend over $5 billion fighting these invasions. Usually, that means paying for professional services that pump harsh, toxic chemicals into the exact places where our families sleep and eat. But there is an incredibly effective alternative sitting right now in the back of your bathroom medicine cabinet. That standard $1 brown bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide is actually a highly effective pest control weapon. This diagram illustrates why it works. Hydrogen peroxide is water with an extra oxygen atom attached. That's the formula, H2O2. But this extra oxygen atom is highly unstable. Because of that instability, hydrogen peroxide acts as a strong oxidizer. When it comes into contact with organic material, like an insect's outer shell or a bacterial cell, that extra oxygen aggressively breaks away. It attacks and tears apart cell membranes, proteins, and DNA. Then it simply vanishes, leaving behind nothing but harmless water and breathable oxygen. This cellular-level destruction allows you to neutralize insects, mold, and bacteria on contact. You get commercial-grade results without leaving a trace of dangerous fumes or toxic residue where your family and pets live. The first line of defense starts at the perimeter, your houseplants and garden. These spots are highly susceptible to fast-breeding nuisances like fungus gnats and thrips, which lay hundreds of eggs deep inside moist potted soil. A minor issue here can escalate into a massive indoor infestation in just a few days. If you pour a mixture of 1 part peroxide to 4 parts water directly into the pot, you'll see a reaction just like this. That fizzing action is the peroxide breaking down, releasing extra oxygen to destroy the hidden larvae and eggs on contact. While that chemical reaction wipes out the next generation of bugs, it also acts as a natural fertilizer. The rapid release of fresh oxygen directly into the soil gives your plant's root system an immediate health boost. On plant leaves, hydrogen peroxide easily damages the unprotected cell membranes of soft-bodied pests like aphids of spider mites. However, beneficial insects like bees and ladybugs are shielded by a thick, waxy outer shell that the diluted peroxide simply cannot penetrate. Securing the perimeter requires intercepting the entire breeding cycle. By neutralizing the adults on the leaves and dissolving the eggs in the soil, you stop minor garden nuisances from migrating inside your home. Once you move inside, the infrastructure of your home offers plenty of hidden pathways for invaders. Sinks and baseboards become prime real estate for kitchen ants and drain flies. Ants navigate using invisible pheromone scent trails to tell the colony where food is. Spraying hydrogen peroxide along their path chemically dissolves those scent trails, leaving the remaining ants completely directionless and permanently cutting off their route into your kitchen. You can apply that same oxidizing power straight down the sink. Drainflies breed in the slimy film of grease, hair, and organic sludge that builds up inside your pipes. Pouring a cup of peroxide down the drain oxidizes and breaks apart that gunt, destroying the exact environment they need to reproduce. On porous materials like wood, bleach only skims the surface, leaving deep fungal networks alive. But hydrogen peroxide behaves differently. It bubbles aggressively down into microscopic pores, reaching the bottom to completely oxidize and dissolve the entire root system without generating toxic fumes. Winning the war within the home's infrastructure requires dismantling the underlying biological support systems, the hidden scent trails, the organic sludge, and the microscopic roots. The stakes get much higher when pests cross the line from structural nuisances to direct biological threats. This includes insects that feed on blood, like multiplying fleas and mosquitoes that target human skin, as well as rodents carrying disease. You can suppress mosquitoes by adding a splash of peroxide to any standing water around your yard to neutralize the larvae. Then, a mixture of equal parts peroxide and water sprayed on patio furniture can physically repel and kill the adults. Fleas require a multi-week campaign of attrition. Adding peroxide to your laundry and spraying a diluted solution along your carpets breaks down the flea's protective exoskeletons. This dehydrates the adults and systematically dissolves the eggs before the next generation can hatch. Then there is the invisible threat left behind by mice and rats. Even after the rodents are gone, their droppings carry dangerous pathogens, including hantavirus, leptospirosis, and salmonella. As a broad-spectrum antimicrobial, hydrogen peroxide works instantly on contaminated areas. The extra oxygen atom actively dismantles the viral envelopes of hantavirus and shreds the cell walls of Salmonella bacteria, completely sterilizing the area before those dangerous pathogens can become airborne. Facing top-tier biological hazards requires a dual strategy: exterminating the visible pests and neutralizing the invisible disease vectors they leave behind. We've just covered 9 different types of home infestations, from guarding pests to airborne viruses, that can all be systematically neutralized by one common everyday molecule. To use it safely, stick to the standard 3% household concentration. Never apply it directly to your cat or dog's skin, as it can cause serious irritation. And always keep the bottle stored in a cool, dark place to prevent the formula from breaking down prematurely. It is also important to acknowledge realistic limits. Massive structural breaches, like full-blown termite colonies or severe rodent infestations, still require professional intervention. But for daily household security, you can skip the expensive, toxic chemicals. To secure your home, you just need to understand the basic chemistry waiting right now in that little brown bottle.